Viravara's loyalty. Viravara went into the dark streets to find out who was crying. The king was worried, so he too followed Viravara. The warrior Viravara saw a beautiful lady dressed in fabulous clothes and jewels, crying. Viravara asked her who was she and why she was weeping. I am Shudraka's fortune, said the lady. I have lived a glorious life so far, but he will die in 3 days, and then all the good fortune I have will be gone. Is there anything that I could do to make King Shudraka's fortune stay with him? Asked Viravara. Yes, replied the lady. Your son Shaktidhar is a very auspicious person. If his head is offered as a sacrifice to the goddess, then Shudraka will live for 100 years. Viravara promptly went to his house and told his wife and son all about the lady's words. His wife and son too agreed to serve their king with equal loyalty. A king's reward. Viravara's family went to the temple and he sacrificed his son and offered his head to the goddess. Miserable without his son, Viravara killed himself also with his sword. His unhappy wife too did not wish to live without her husband and her son, so she too killed herself with the same sword. Shudraka was horrified at the terrible deaths and very unhappy that he had failed to see the worth of this great warrior. He decided to kill himself too, as he felt he did not deserve to live or to be a king. As he drew out his sword, the goddess appeared. She brought Viravara and his family back to life. Viravara, when questioned, merely said that a lady had wept but had vanished when he came there. The king was so pleased that he told the court about Viravara's deeds and made him the prince of Karnataka. The minister's wisdom. So you see, Chakravaka, said Silver Plume, not all strangers are evil. There can be some like Viravara who will serve their master's interest even at the cost of their own life or by sacrificing what is so dear to them. I agree, sir, said Chakravaka humbly. But a minister, a physician and a teacher must always speak the truth to benefit a person even if the truth is hurtful. So, I must tell you, still to be careful of crows, sir. Why do you say that, O wise Chakravaka? Asked the king. Let me share a story with you, sir, said the minister. This is the story of a barber who became so greedy for money and wealth that he killed a Buddhist monk and in the bargain lost his own life too. Tell me the story, said Silver Plume. The Greedy Barber. Long ago in Ayodhya, there lived a warrior named Chudamani. He saw everyone around him becoming prosperous and wished to be as rich as they. So he began to worship Lord Shiva and practiced severe austerities. Finally, the Lord was pleased with his worship and appeared before him. Chudamani pleaded with him for wealth and the Lord gave him a boon, telling him, Go home, shave your head and then hide a strong cudgel in your hand. A monk will come that way. Hit him with the cudgel and kill him. He will turn into a golden jar. After that, you will never be poor. Chudamani did as he was told, and soon he had a golden jar and was rich. The barber who had shaved his head saw this and decided to imitate him to get wealthy.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.